Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm Aurelio. Are you ready for a new video? First of all, don't forget to hit subscribe and to turn on the notification feature to make sure you don't miss any new AMK's video. Alright? Okay, we can proceed with this new topic, and this time I will speak regarding the model Titan 3C Dyna Soar. The reduction scale is 1/144 and the brand is always the same in this last time. The Real Space Model Kit. So, we don't waste the time, we proceed with this new incredible topic. We go! In the latest video, I spoke about the Titan 3C Mall. For this reason, I think that in this new video, it's good if I will speak about another special Titan 3C version that, unfortunately, it's never seen the fly. I will speak about the Titan 3C Dyna Soar, or it's better known as X20. Like the previous models I covered, this model is also marked under the Real Space Model brand. Before I start talking about this model, I'll give you a brief mention about the Dyna Soar. Boeing of Seattle began a phase study on Dyna Soar thanks to a contract they stipulated with the United States Air Force. Boeing dedicated many hours of independent research and various wind tunnel tests connected to hypersonic flight. In 1963-64, Boeing built a full-scale X-20 test vehicle at its Seattle plants at Edwards Air Force Base, but this project was cancelled before it could materialize. Boeing dedicated to end the project when they realized that Dyna Soar was too complex and the development cost continues to rise. Another point against it was the fact that its weight was double that of a ballistic capsule capable of carrying the same payload. A curiosity regarding the Dyna Soar name. Dyna Soar is a simple contraction of the words dynamic and soaring. Basically, it's rising. And now I start to speak about the model. The model breakdown is the same as the previous model, as are the materials used to make it. The main Titan core is made in a styrene tube, and the other model parts are all solid cast resin without no pinhole evident. The Dyna Soar is broken down into three pieces, the main body and the two wings. The breakdown is very easy, and this is good because it helps us to assemble the Dyna Soar very fast. The Dyna Soar is without any surface detail. I having a lot of documentation on this subject. For this reason, I preferred to enrich the model surface in an exceptional way, and I remained more than satisfied with the work I did. Assembling the model was a very quick job and without any difficulty. When I completed the assembly of it, I immediately moved on to the painting phase of it, and also in this case I didn't encounter any difficulties. As you can clearly see in these pictures, in this video, I work particularly on the Dyna Soar. I made an aging of its external part because if it had flown, it would have been reused several times as it was for the space shuttle. Once the coloring phase was complete, I then enriched the Dyna Soar exterior parts with some decals that I taken from my parts bank. A base for model is also supplied in the assembled box. I preferred to replace it with a more suitable one that gave the model more aesthetic value. What are my conclusions regarding this subject? This model is really beautiful and well made, and, in my opinion, it should be present in the collection of every modeler interested in space flight like me. So guys, also this time we have finished. First of all, don't forget we have this model kit, the Dragon Cargo version 1 and Dragon Lab. The scale reduction is always the same, 1/72. We have this model kit, the HTV, the Japanese cargo spacecraft. It's so beautiful and so incredible. And the last, we have the Cygnus Enhanced, always in the same scale reduction. If you have interested regarding these model kits, write me an email at this address. See you! Bye! AMK is always the best. Bye bye!